Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a back to school giveaway with Dithya. Hi! So there's going to be 2 winners, 2 prizes. So if you guys want to know how to enter our giveaways, what we're going to be giving away, then just keep on watching. Alright, so on my channel, I'm going to be sharing all of the prizes I'm going to be giving away to 1 winner, and then we're going to be doing a video on Dithya's channel where she's going to go through all of her giveaway prizes. So basically the rules for this giveaway, you just need to follow both of us on Instagram and on YouTube. There'll be a giveaway link. It'll be the first link in my description box. You can just click on that link and enter how it tells you to enter. If you're ready to subscribe to either of us or both of us on YouTube or Instagram, make sure you still enter through that giveaway link. That way we know that you entered to win our giveaway prizes. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the prizes. Okay, so Dithya is holding all my prizes. We have a mix of high-end drugstore skincare products, makeup products. So the first product we're going to start off with is from Purlisse. This is their newest release. It's Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask, a whole set of their sheet masks. Then moving into primer. Benefit Professional Primer. We have a bunch of primers in here. So I'm just going to go through this really random. 2 lipsticks from Urban Decay, one in the shade Back Talk. I have this shade, it's one of my favorites. And then 1993, which is more of that like grungy. 1993 is one of their most like best iconic shades, colors. Yeah. Some lashes from Lily Lashes in the style Mykonos. This Poisey tint from Benefit, which is like a cheek stain. Next up we have the Healthy Glow from Charlotte Tilbury, which is kind of like a tinted glowy moisturizer. A mud mask from Purlisse, a mud mask that's also like an exfoliator. Another set of the Lily Lashes in Mykonos. A couple of my favorite lipsticks from Physicians Formula. This is their Healthy Lip. It's my favorite drugstore liquid lipstick formula.
I love that formula. It's so comfortable on the lips.
Yeah, and it's super lightweight. Also from Physicians Formula, this is the mascara, the Killer Curves Mascara. Then we have a skincare set. This is DHC, their deep cleansing oil to like remove your makeup, and also a little cleansing bar. Next up, one of my favorite highlighter palettes. This is the Innuendo palette from ColourPop. It has 6 shades in here. It's so pretty. Then we have an eyeshadow palette from Too Faced. This is the Natural Eyes eyeshadow palette. This is their newer packaging. It smells super good, and it has my favorite gold shade of all time, which is Honey Pot. I think it's what it's called.
I just love the shades. They're like perfect.
Really, really creamy formula. Next up, we have an eyeshadow palette by IBY Beauty. This is the Desert Vibe eyeshadow palette. It's kind of like more of that warm tone brown and some purples in there. Next up, we have a couple of the new eyeshadow palettes from Smashbox. This is their latest release. We have the Cover Shot Prism palette, and this one is like really purpley. And then also the glitter palette that's all like glitter shades. Also from Smashbox, we have the primer oil that you can mix into foundations, put it on as your primer, or mix it into your primer. Then on the opposite side for primers, this is the Matte Rescue Primer from Benefit Cosmetics. I've gone through a couple tubes of those. Then we have the Cover Charge palette from Revlon, a colorful eyeshadow palette. 2 of the new highlighters from Pixi. These are their new skin duos. They're both like really, really pretty shades. Then we have the Del Mar highlighter from Persona Cosmetics. This is my favorite formula of all time.
Really? I have to try it.
I'm wearing Zuma right now. I wear it every single day. Then we have 2 of the Skin Glow duos from Glamdit. They're like cream highlighters.
Cream to
powder. So you could set it like on top of your makeup too. And then we have some skincare products from Physicians Formula. This is their Refresh Mint Cucumber Depuffer, eye depuffer. And then their Charcoal Detox Cleansing Stick. So it's like a really quick
I keep the
take off your makeup.
one like in my handbag.
Oh really?
Like if I have no makeup on, like I'll just refresh.
Then we have 2 of the lip pearls from Girlactic. They are like lip toppers that are like very shimmery. And then we have another Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Grubby. And then we have the Beauty Shield Skin Shielding Primer with SPF 50 from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Then we have a couple things from Urban Decay. These are the Hi-Fi Shine Lip Glosses. Really, really nice.
Yeah.
Like lip plumping formula. Really opaque and really creamy. And then we have 2 eyeliners. One in the shade Heartless. Sorry, I'm like struggling to read. And this one is in the shade of 0, which is like their standard black eyeliner. 2 eyeliners from Urban Decay. I have a brow gel from ColourPop, just a clear brow gel. 2 lip pencils from Soap & Glory. One is a red shade and one is a nude. 2 of the liquid eyeshadows from Pixie. These are like a drugstore dupe to the Stila glitter glows. Yeah, I always call it the wrong thing.
The Magnificent.
I just call it the Stila glitters. You guys know what we're talking about. And then this is from Kevyn Aucoin. It's one of their blushes. It's one of those ombre blushes, and this is in the shade Sunset. I believe it's kind of like an orangey shade. The brow setter from Benefit, so you're set. Your brows are set for life, basically.
That's what I use every day. On right now.
And then from ColourPop, I have this. This is awesome. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Champagne Mommy. It's like, it reminds me of the Fenty Gloss Bomb. It's like a similar shade, but it has some more shimmer to it. And then lastly, we have a bunch of lip liners from CoverGirl. In pretty much every shade, you have 6 lip liners. Alright guys, so that is everything for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and Dithia's channel if you haven't already. Check out her video, her giveaway video, which will be linked in my description box, and just check out every video on her channel.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's everything for today's video. I will talk to you guys soon in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.